starting our diesel heater up, getting it burned out. When you first fire it up, you're going to get some smoke. This is brand new, so that's it. After it's burned off all the factory oil and all that stuff, the smoke will quit. But this just kind of shows you the initial startup on it. This is an 8 kilowatt diesel heater. It's made portable. It runs off 12 volt or 110. We've got it set up for 110 because we do have power in Alabama. But this will be some good heat. Keep us nice and warm up there. Look at that smoke. But once it's all burned up, it ought to be working pretty good. Very important to get it set up before you need to use it. That's why we did it here in Florida. We're setting it up. We're leaving tomorrow for Alabama. Next week after Thanksgiving, it's supposed to be dropping down to low 30s. This we're gonna put in a 19-foot camper. So this will mount outside. The ductwork will go on the inside. You can mount them inside. I'm not going to do it. I don't trust it. I know it has a CO2 detector and everything. I still wouldn't, for me, put it inside. We got plenty of room with 6 acres. Put it outside. And they're saying on 1 gallon of diesel, you should be able to get 30 to 40 hours. We'll see. Already the smoke's slowing down. We're going to let it run a couple hours. We're going to test it here, pack it up, take it to Alabama, and by next weekend, right around Thanksgiving, right after Thanksgiving, like I said, down in the 30s, low 30s. We're hoping for some snow while we're up there. So we'll see. These things are perfect for little campers, little off-grid sheds, tents, car camping. There's people that put these in car camping. They put it outside and run the vent inside. You can get a longer vent. We're going to get like a 16-foot hose. We're actually going to split it off. Part's going to go into our storage building and part will go into the camper. A lot better than propane, a lot cheaper. To me, a lot safer, a lot easier to run. So check them out. If you've never had a diesel heater or if you've got any questions, leave a comment. Put something in there. Would you try one of these? This one here is about $140. It's a little upgraded. You can buy them as cheap as $180 sometimes, but we wanted a decent one. That controller actually comes off and you can mount it inside. It comes with about a 16-foot cable where you can mount it inside. So we'll probably only use it a couple of times a year, but like I said, it'll keep you nice and warm. So let us know what you think. Do y'all have a diesel heater? Have you used one? Have you even heard of them? And how do you use yours? Do you use it in a tent, car camping, RV? How do you use it? Tell us about it. Tell us what you like and what you don't like. Leave us a comment below and make sure you follow us on our Truly Blessed Life YouTube.